I'm back with a new video how to make cheese corn ball. So here are the ingredients for it. This is mozzarella cheese, this is salt, this is half cup of maida which is all purpose flour, this is half cup of corn flour, these are some boiled corns, these are finely chopped onions, 1 cheese cube, and here I have taken oregano, chili flakes and black pepper of half spoon, and these are 4 boiled potatoes, and this is breadcrumbs. So let us begin with our recipe. Now we need to grate our boiled potatoes. So we need to take 1 potato and start grating it like this. So now here I am grated all the potatoes. Now we have to grate cheese, and you need to grate the whole cheese. Like guys, as you can see, I have grated 1 cube of cheese. Now we are going to add sweet corn. Now we will add finely chopped onions. Now we will add these spices, black pepper and chili flakes. Now we need to knead a dough out of it. Before that, we will put mozzarella cheese. And now we will add salt, and add the salt according to your taste. And now we will mix it, and we need to knead a dough out of it. With your hands like this. You can also take your parents' help for it. So guys, now here as you can see our dough is ready. So now we are going to make a ball out of it. But before that, I am going to put oil on our palms so that the dough doesn't stick. Now I am going to take a portion out of it and going to roll it. And now after making this, I will keep this in the plate. Like this, we need to make all the others one. So guys, now we need to prepare a slurry. For that, we will put half cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida. Then we will put half cup of corn flour. Now we will put some salt. Now we have to add water. And now we have to mix it. Guys, here our slurry is ready. As you can see, its consistency, it should be like this. And now we will add the balls. And then we need to dip them. So make sure they are fully coated with the slurry. Like this. Now slowly pick them up and put it in the breadcrumbs. And now you need to coat it with the breadcrumbs properly, like this. And then you need to keep it aside in a plate, like this. And you are supposed to make all of these balls same, like you need to do the same process for these balls. So guys, now we are going to fry it. I had boiled the oil before. And here you can take your parents' help. So guys, now I am going to remove it. And remove them until they are brown and crispy. And make sure you don't let them fry, you don't let them fry for a long time, otherwise the cheese will come out. So guys, here our cheese balls are ready. And I will show you how they are from inside. As you can see, it is so cheesy. And if you like my recipe, please like to my channel, subscribe and comment down below.